This is how you can copy and paste in the iPhone keyboard. Let's get into it. At first, what you can do is just to start typing anywhere or locate any sort of text that you have, let's say in your notes or anywhere else. And even though you have the keyboard right here, what you need to focus on is the text field above it. So perhaps if you're searching on the home screen or anywhere else, the text, the actual typing words is above the keyboard. So you need to double tap on that individual word or hold down on it to select it. Then what you can do is to adjust the selection of letters and words to ensure the perfect set of the text is going to be selected. Once it is so, you can tap on it again, and then more options are going to pop up depending on the app you are in, but most likely the copy button is going to appear right there. So you can tap on copy and then again just move over to a different place on your phone, find an empty text field, tap on it once with your finger, and the option to paste text is going to appear right there. So that's how you can do this. Besides that, this can also be performed with gestures. So if you pinch in with 3 fingers, the text is going to be copied, and if you pinch out with 3 fingers, the text is going to be pasted. So if you like the gesture approach more, then you can use that as well. And you can also explore some third-party keyboards which are available, right? You can still get, like, I don't know, the official Apple one as well as one from Google, but there should also be like these clipboard keyboards on your iPhone. I mean, plenty of different apps to pick from, but at least go ahead and look it up on the App Store, as there are like these clipboard apps which can help you just copy and paste text and other things in the meantime. So you can go ahead and check it out if you just copy and paste a lot of text. But yeah, that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so you never miss another straight to the point tutorial like this one, and I'll see you in the future.